We are at a Catholic cemetery at Mount Zion, and you can see the sign to Oskar Schindler grave. And so many people ask me how to reach the tomb. 5 דקות אני יורד רק לצלם את זה? 5
אני
minutes?
יורדת טיפה, כן.
Alright?
יורדים.
Just
אני רוצה להמשיך.
להמשיך, אתה רוצה להמשיך.
אתה תרד, אנחנו נראה.
Yeah. Alright, I got 2 or 3 minutes to show you how to reach Oskar Schindler tomb. Then about Oskar Schindler I won't talk a lot. Mainly, they're waiting for me. You will recognize the tomb because it looks a little bit different. Here you can find a lot of Catholic local Arab. This is people had life before and now they are with Jesus himself. As you can see, it's not so organized. They can maintain it better. But usually when my friends or my tourists are doing it by themselves, they are reaching that area and they don't know how to reach the tomb of Oskar Schindler. Here it is. See that balcony there? And I say, oh no, there are more tombs. What are we going to do? Oh, how we're going to find it? For that, very easy. Follow my video. To your right side, you can see the Kidron Valley. And those tombs are of Polish soldiers who ran away from the Nazis in the Second World War, and they helped the British. Then doesn't matter if you will choose that or that. I will choose that path to the lower part of it. And then just continue straight. When you will reach the Polish, turn right, and the end of the graveyard, then turn left. You can already see it. You can see a lot of stones on top of it. That's how so many Jews here are coming to worship him, to say thank you. He gave us the last grace, they said. And they mention it by, there are living stones here to remember it. There's so many reasons for that stones. But as you can see here, Oskar Schindler from 1909 to 1974 in German and in Hebrew. Then you will recognize it with the stones on it, because you can see there are no other place, other tomb with stones in it. Then that's how to reach the place, just to show you where we are. It's so funny to say, but we are going to see hell. This is Hell Valley, Gehenom. Here it is. And there you can see a church, and that is Hakeldama. That's where, that's a place that Judas built and hanged himself there. Judas from Jesus and Judas. Then, now you know how to reach Oskar Schindler by yourself. It's open usually until 2 p.m. To go out, you need to actually use the subway. If you like that video and you want to know more about Israel and the Holy Land, then you can ask me whatever you want. Please subscribe my channel, and now you know that you will get a lot of information. I do around 19,000 videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.